as it went across a transport company. Trees flying through the air. Semi, the trailers, there you go, a couple of semi, look at that, the beds of the trailers hurling, twirling around in the sky and then dropping down from at least 50 feet high down into the ground. We saw trees, there goes another semi.
And it's spinning.
It's spinning, down it comes, bang, lands on its nose right down at the ground. Big piece of a tree there that just got hurled up, I believe it was. So certainly we have seen a destructive tornado on the south side of Dallas, still within parts of the area near south of Grapevine, north of Arlington, a possible tornado in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex area, as well as over on the east side of Dallas, in toward the area around the Mesquite area, just to the west of Mesquite and east of Dallas, that east side of Dallas, a possible tornado. So here's the eastern of the two storms, the one that produced that damage video that you just saw. Not as well defined as circulation, but in the area just to the west of Mesquite and off to the east of Dallas, about halfway.
Fox 5 and also from My 9. We're following some breaking news at this hour, taking a look live at some pictures coming out of New Jersey. This is Carlstadt, New Jersey, where there is a brush fire that is taking place right along the New Jersey Turnpike, and you can see the building in the background. That's actually the IZOD Center, right through the thick black smoke. Now, just to put this into a little bit of perspective, on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see some water pouring in. That is actually coming from a fire truck. Normally, fire trucks are pretty darn big. Look at how small this looks in comparison to the size of the fire. Let's go to Reggie Harrison. He's live overhead in Sky Fox HD. Good morning. Good afternoon, Reggie. What can you tell us?
Good afternoon. Taking a look at this fire on the north side of the IZOD Center over here, right near the New Jersey Turnpike. Smoke billowing as high as we're flying, and we're at about 1,000 feet. You can see these flames just shooting out over here. Really not under control at this time. It's hard for the fire department to try to get into where some of these middle flames are, but they are trying to keep it away from the building as I pull out here on the right side of the screen. Also from this roadway, which is an access ramp to the IZOD Center, trying to keep it out of there. But as we pull out a little bit more, you can see where the New Jersey Turnpike is, and that's where all that smoke is billowing in there. So we're going to have a slowdown as people try to get through there today. The only good side, if I could have one, is that when this fire burns towards some of that water that's at the bottom of your screen and to the roadway, it should act as a natural break. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Right now, winds are about 12 to 20 miles per hour, and that's going to cause a problem for the firefighters. Back to you.
All right, Reggie, let me ask you, I do not see much traffic out there at all right now. This is going to cause a major problem for commuters at some point, certainly.
I agree. It definitely is going to cause a major problem if they don't get this under control in short order. So for that afternoon traffic trying to get home, this is going to be a little bit of a problem. So you might want to think about an alternate right now if you're watching us live.
All right. Once again, right alongside Route 3 in New Jersey, along the New Jersey Turnpike, that is Carlstadt, New Jersey. A lot of folks in our viewing area who've been watching this over the past couple days know that brush fires have been a major problem in certain parts of New Jersey, also out on Long Island. And then we had another fire that cropped up in Staten Island. Reggie, thank you so much. We'll have more on our
2004. Ini adalah gambar terkini yang kami dapatkan beberapa saat yang lalu saat gempa terjadi. Tim kami di Aceh.
Informasi apakah ada tanda atau tidak, tapi kami hanya bisa memberikan peringatan dini tsunami pada saat gempa tersebut telah terjadi, gitu, Pak. Kalau memang gempanya...
Peringatan tsunami ini di wilayah mana saja, Pak, yang paling diwaspadai?
Halo, kami tidak bisa mendengar suara Anda.
Menjadi macet karena banyaknya warga yang ingin berlindung ke tempat yang lebih tinggi, juga karena lampu lalu lintas mati pada saat itu. Dan ini juga tampaknya terjadi di Melambo. Sejak awal tahun ini memang Aceh beberapa kali dilanda gempa yang besarnya kurang lebih dengan gempa yang terjadi hari ini terjadi pada bulan Februari lalu.